Hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Is everything fair? Audible? So just let me share the link with others so that they can join. Good evening. So as we were studying about the straight line, right? We had two back-to-back sessions over the straight line chapter, and categorically I have told you how to solve any particular kind of issue related with the line and plane. What does that mean? Intersection of two planes. What does that mean? Two planes does not intersect. Three planes intersect at a point, intersect in a line, or they form a rectangular or triangular prism. Right. So in today's session, we are gonna solve different problems. I will start from very basic problems and will go to the last possible kind of problem in this chapter. फेयर. सो इन द स्टार्टिंग यू मे फील कि बहुत आसान से प्रॉब्लम है या हम टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. आई एम सॉरी. टू प्रिपेयर इन राइट वे, दिस इज द ओनली वे टू लर्न द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. ठीक है. सो टुडे वी विल हैव problem solving session, and our chapter is the straight line. At last we will see how the different kind of pyqs are there and how to solve those. So questions plus PYQs whichever asked from 2009 to 2023. Chale. So we'll be revising the formulas and things. If you haven't attended the previous sessions, you must go through those, because here I will just start by saying the problems and solving those. Because in previous lectures, categorically I have defined the things. Okay, so let's have the first problem now. Health is not good, so you may feel bit irritated, I know, but I will be trying my best. So the first question is, find the equations of line. Find the equation of line passing through the point. Passing, मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया, I'll be taking the examples step by step. Through passing through the points 2, 1, 3. Sorry. And parallel to the line joining the points, parallel to the line joining the points -2, 3, -4 and 2, 5, 1. ओके. ध्यान से सुनेंगे इस चीज को. The first chapter, 2D का revision. The first chapter is direction cosines and direction ratios, plane, straight line. These three things are required. These three things directly questions from for UPSC, and these are the basic contents for further chapters. So we have to practice each possible questions here, not because that will be asked or not, because this short questions they are not asking, but if you don't develop the concepts for these, then you will have problems in other sessions or other chapters. So please don't ignore. Again, it is your decision, but whatever I want to say I said. चलिए, so let's recall. देखिएगा, I told you कि if you have a line joining 2 3 minus 4 2 5 1, let's say this is x1 by 1 z1, this is x2 by 2 z2, and lmn are dc's of this line, then dc's of this line joining 2 points, dc's of this line joining 2 points are given by, क्या बोला था, x2 minus x1, that is L by 2 minus by 1, that is M, z2 minus z1. How it is? So we have already discussed in detail all the things. So once we have lmn, right, also we have studied equation of a straight line passing through one point. किस पॉइंट से पास करा रहा है, 213, 213 with DC's lmn as given by x minus alpha, that is 2 upon L by minus 1 upon M equals z minus 3 upon n. Abhi I want lmn here. So let's say this line, इसको मैं कैपिटल L बोलूं. So since line L is parallel to the line joining these points, let's say PQ, so their DCs will be proportional. So whatever the DCs of first line, that is 2 minus 2, that is 4 by 2, 5 minus 3, that is 2, 1 minus minus 4, that is 5. So इसके DCs भी मिल जाएंगे अपने को. L equals 4, M equals 2, N equals 5. So required equation of a straight line is x minus 2 upon 4 by minus 1 upon 2 z minus 3 upon 5. Please note down everyone. आराम से लिखिए. It is not about कि they are asking or not. If you are studying vector calculus, if you are studying fluid dynamics, everywhere such things will be needed. So these are the basic concepts which you have to practice. लिख लेंगे फटाफट. Sorry. Everyone, is that noted? So let's have the next problem. Example 2. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of line passing through the point 2, 1, 3 and parallel to line x minus 1 upon 2 equals y plus 2 upon 3 z plus 1 upon minus 1. So what will be the answer, dear fellows? For required line, L will be 2, M will be 3, N will be minus 1. So the answer is x minus 2 upon 2 equals y minus 1 upon 3 equals z minus 3 upon minus 1. That is the answer. Please write down fatafat. Two parallel lines will have their DCs as say in the same proportion. लिख देंगे फटाफट. Is that done? Find the equation of plane. Find the equation of plane passing through the point ABC and perpendicular to the line x upon L equals y upon M equals z upon N. What will be the answer? Can you reply? We have developed concepts so well that these things are just on the tip for us. What we have studied? Plane का equation चाहिए. So plane का equation चाहिए passing through a fixed point ABC, right? So let's say plane के DRS are capital A, capital B, capital C. We know that DRS of a plane are normal to plane. Normal means perpendicular. अभी अपने को क्या देख आया है कि this plane is perpendicular to the line. Also given plane is perpendicular to line with DC's LMN. So DRS of the plane will be in same proportion in the same proportion as LMN. Why? Since plane, so normal that is parallel to line. Plane's normal is parallel to line. So capital A will be L, capital B will be M, capital C will be N. What I told you, we know that equation of a plane passing through one point alpha beta gamma with direction ratios as ABC is given by A into x minus alpha, B into y minus beta, C into z minus gamma equals to 0. So required equation of plane is क्या मिल जाएगा? L into x minus small a, m into y minus goes to 0. So thing is, we have invested our proper time in developing concepts. So these things are just our cup of tea now. If you have any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, I'll request you to have these things like this in your mind. फटाफट लिखेंगे. ये चीजें तो अब छप जानी चाहिए दिमाग में, इतने बार कर लिया है. फटाफट लिख दीजिए आप लोग, तब तक मैं क्वेश्चन को हटा देता हूं. अभी ये जो बेसिक्स क्वेश्चन है, बहुत हम जस्ट कॉन्सेप्ट्स को रिवाइज कर रहे हैं, इसलिए आई एम लाइक बिट. बाकी कंपैरिजन में तो मैं स्लो ही रहता हूँ बाकी टीचर्स के. मेरे कंपैरिजन में थोड़ा फास्ट हो सकता है. चेक दिस आउट प्लीज. चेक दिस क्वेश्चन. सोचने की कोशिश कीजिए कि व्हाट डज दैट मीन. यस, वेरी गुड. सो लेट्स से वी हैव अ लाइन. ठीक है, लेट्स से वी हैव दिस लाइन. फाइंड द पॉइंट एट विच लाइन मीट्स. तो मान लो अपने को एक लाइन है विच इज पासिंग थ्रू द फिक्स्ड पॉइंट. बोलो बोलो. 1 1 2. दिस इज द फिक्स्ड पॉइंट ऑन लाइन, राइट और नॉट. लाइन के DCs आर 2 3 3. This is the information we have, right? Plane is given by, plane का equation is 2x minus 3y plus z plus 5 equals to 0. Just simple basics. If you correctly remember from the lecture 1, I clearly told you that the concept which is very basic will be used further as well. Taking a point on the line at r distance. Say yes or no. Say yes or no. How many times I have emphasized over that. So देखिएगा अप्रोच क्या होगा इसका. Let the line meets the plane at a distance small r from the fixed point